Looking for ways to earn an extra $1,000 per month? Welcome to the world of side hustles, where your skills, passion, and spare time can turn into a lucrative venture. From the comfort of your home or in the hustle and bustle of the city, you can supplement your income and even discover new passions. The possibilities are endless, and the time to start is now. Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 side hustles you could start today to earn that extra cash. Starting off our countdown at number 10 is freelance writing. This side hustle is all about leveraging your way with words to create content that people are willing to pay for. From blog posts and articles to ebooks and even technical manuals, the opportunities are vast and varied. So how much can you make as a freelance writer? Well, it all depends on your skill level, your niche, and the demand for your services. But let's be conservative and say you're just starting out. Even then, it's not uncommon to fetch around $25 to $50 per article. And once you've established a solid portfolio, you can easily command $100 or more per piece. But how do you get started? One word: networking. Join online communities, reach out to potential clients, and don't be afraid to pitch your services. Remember, every great writer started somewhere. With a knack for words and a little creativity, freelance writing can be a lucrative side hustle. At number 9, we have the role of a virtual assistant. So what does a virtual assistant do, you might ask? Well, they are the remote administrative wizards of the digital world. They manage calendars, answer emails, and handle customer service or social media management for busy entrepreneurs and professionals. Now, how much can you earn as a virtual assistant? On average, virtual assistants can make between $20 to $30 per hour. The beauty of this side hustle is that it can be as flexible as you need it to be. You can work full-time or squeeze in a few hours after your 9 to 5. So, where can you find these roles? Websites like Upwork or Freelancer are a great starting point. There are also agencies that connect virtual assistants with clients. Remember, your skills as an effective communicator and organizer are your selling points here. With good organizational skills, becoming a virtual assistant can be a great way to earn some extra cash. Coming in at number 8 is online tutoring. As more and more education moves to the digital sphere, there's a growing demand for online tutors. Whether it's school subjects like math and science, language skills, or even music lessons, if you're knowledgeable in a certain area, there are people out there looking to learn from you. The potential earnings from online tutoring can be quite impressive. With rates typically ranging from $20 to $50 an hour, it doesn't take long to reach that extra $1,000 a month. And the beauty of it is, you can do it from the comfort of your own home, on your own schedule. To get started, you can join established platforms like Chegg Tutors or Tutor.com, or you can market your services independently through social media or personal networks. If you are knowledgeable in a certain subject, online tutoring could be your ticket to making an extra $1,000 a month. Number 7 on our countdown is selling handmade products. In this era of mass production, there's a certain charm and uniqueness that only handmade products can offer. This charm has led to a surge in popularity for handmade goods, making it a lucrative side hustle for the creatively inclined. From ceramics and candles to jewelry and jigsaw puzzles, the scope is vast. And the best part? You can set your own prices. With the right marketing and quality products, it's possible to earn $1,000 or more per month. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and even Instagram make it easier than ever to reach a global audience. To get started, identify what you're passionate about and what you'd enjoy crafting. Create a few sample products and take high-quality photos for your online shop. Remember, presentation is key. If you are crafty, selling handmade products could be a profitable and fulfilling side hustle. Halfway through our countdown at number 6, we have affiliate marketing. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, it's a simple concept. You promote a company's product or service, and if someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. It's like being a digital salesperson, but without the cold calls and door-to-door sales. Potential earnings can vary greatly depending on the product, the company, and your promotional strategy. Some affiliates earn a few $100s a month, while others rake in thousands. Getting started is straightforward. First, find a product or service you're passionate about. Then sign up for the company's affiliate program. Once approved, you'll receive a unique referral link to share on your blog, social media, or wherever you interact with potential customers. It's important to remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight. It requires patience, creativity, and a solid understanding of your audience. But with some marketing savvy, affiliate marketing can be a profitable side hustle. Coming in at number 5 is dropshipping. Now, what exactly is dropshipping? Imagine owning an online store without the hassle of managing inventory or shipping products. Sounds ideal, right? Well, that's dropshipping for you. As a dropshipper, you'll be the intermediary between the supplier and the customer. You promote and sell a product, and the supplier takes care of the rest. The potential earnings? Well, they can be substantial. With the right product selection and marketing strategy, you could be looking at earning well over $1,000 per month. Getting started is simpler than you might think. All you need is an online platform to sell your products like Shopify or eBay, a reliable supplier, and a keen eye for what's trending in the market. Remember, the key to successful dropshipping lies in identifying trending products early and marketing them effectively. If you have a knack for spotting trends, dropshipping could be your next profitable venture. At number 4, we have blogging. This isn't your typical 9-to-5 job, but it's a hustle that can offer immense rewards if done right. It's all about creating engaging content on topics you're passionate about, be it food, travel, fashion, finance, or anything in between. Blogging can be more than just a hobby. It's a platform where you can share your thoughts and experiences and potentially earn a decent income. The earnings can vary widely, but successful bloggers can make anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month. So how do you get started? Easy. First, choose a niche that you're passionate about. Then, create a blog and start publishing high-quality content regularly. The key here is consistency. And remember, it's not just about writing. You'll need to learn about SEO and social media marketing to drive traffic to your blog. If you love to share your thoughts and experiences, blogging could be a great way to earn some extra income. Number 3 on our list is stock photography. In an increasingly visual world, high-quality photos are in demand. Stock photography is all about selling your photos through online platforms to businesses, bloggers, advertisers, and anyone needing creative visuals. Your earnings in stock photography can vary widely, based on factors like the quality of your photos, the platform you use, and the demand for the type of images you offer. Top photographers can earn hundreds, even thousands of dollars per month. To get started, you'll need a decent camera, a good eye for composition, and a bit of creativity. Snap photos of various subjects and themes, from nature and cityscapes to lifestyle and abstract shots. Once you've built a portfolio, you can upload your images to stock photo websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Remember, stock photography is not just about taking photos, it's about capturing moments that resonate with people. If you have a good eye for capturing moments, stock photography could be a great way to monetize your hobby. Number 2 on our countdown is creating and selling online courses. As we move further into the digital age, the demand for online learning continues to skyrocket. The convenience of learning at one's own pace, from the comfort of home, is an opportunity too good to pass up for many. This presents a golden opportunity for side hustlers. Creating an online course requires some upfront work, but the rewards can be substantial. If you have a niche skill or in-depth knowledge on a particular subject, you can package that into a course and sell it online. Online platforms like Udemy or Coursera make it easy to host and sell your course to a global audience. But remember, the key to a successful online course is value. Ensure that your course offers real, tangible benefits to your students. Make it engaging, informative, and worth the investment. If you have a skill or knowledge that others could benefit from, creating an online course could be a lucrative side hustle. And finally, coming in at number 1 is real estate investing. This side hustle tops our list because of its potential for high returns. Real estate investing can be a powerful way to grow your wealth over time, even when you're working on it part-time. There are numerous ways to invest in real estate. You could buy rental properties, flip houses, or invest in real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs. Each method has its own potential earnings and risks. For instance, rental properties can provide a steady stream of income, while house flipping might yield a large one-time profit. If you're just starting out, it's crucial to do your research. Learn about the local market, understand the costs involved, and consider getting professional advice. It's also important to have a clear investment strategy. Remember, like any investment, real estate investing requires patience and diligence. But with some research and smart decisions, real estate investing could be your key to earning an extra $1,000 a month. And there you have it, the top 10 side hustles to make an extra $1,000 a month in 2024. From freelance writing to real estate investing, there's something for everyone. Each of these opportunities offers a unique path to supplement your income or even replace your day job. It's time to take control of your financial future, and these side hustles are a great place to start. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Take your first step today towards financial freedom. Thanks for watching.